Hello, hello. We will start our program so that we can finish because the time is limited. Those people outside, please come in. We will start our program. So Arno is taking the raffle ticket in his car. Once he comes back, we will issue the bag, including the raffle ticket. So you have to write your name on the ticket. After you write the name on your ticket, you put it here. And then after we finish the program, we will start a sports activity. By 11:30, we should take our lunch. And we should come back here. And the general manager, national manager will come here and join us at 11:30.
Masikip lang yung damit. Toyo lang eh. Masikip lang yung damit. Hindi, masikip lang yung damit.
Hello, hello. All people outside, please come in. We will start now. So when I call your name, please come forward, and then we will give you the bag and the ticket.
Send mo yan ang solos mo kabaling doon. Hindi kasi nakikita na ba yun?
Wait.